So what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new POV video. So this is actually the first video I'm filming in 2026, and what a car to do it in. We are inside Mr. HM01 which is the Mr. How Much BMW M240i, and I'm sure you can already tell he's right here with me in past. Oh, this is a Golf 8, bruh.
It's our next car there.
And so that's hey guys, you're getting exclusives here on this channel. Now you know.
We're getting an 8.5 GTI.
So yeah, we're gonna take this car for a quick POV drive around this area.
I put sport there, bro.
You put there, bruh.
This guy doesn't want to put sport mode.
Yeah. Yes. So, bro, what is this car stock?
Why are you laughing?
It sounds nice, bro.
Thanks, man.
Yes. Bruh, me, I like driving in manual. What do we do? Oh.
Is the window fine?
Yeah, I'll close it. Might as well go this way. So let's experience some acceleration. Yes. Yes. This car sounds insane. Yes. So this car is powered by the 3-liter turbo inline 6, the infamous B58. It's of course turbocharged, and it's pumping out about 285 kilowatts and 500 Newton meters of torque. That is literally a lot of power. The amount of power this car has literally rivals the A45 and the RS3, and there's still the M2 on top of that. So I think BMW is just on another level, man. Can you even compare this car or this platform to its rivals? I don't even think so. More especially the M2 and the RS3. But anyways, I think this is one of those cars where you don't even need to talk. You already know enough about it. Oh, there's a Golf R, bro.
Shout out, bro.
Yes. By the way, yeah, we'll get arrested, yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't know you.
I was about to say, I haven't even went foot flat and yo. Yes. But you say this car goes like what?
Oh. Yeah. Then when you change it,
oh.
Perfect. Well done.
Oh, the brakes work.
No,
yeah, the brakes work. So, yeah, this is like the M Lite before you get to the M2. But the thing about it, this engine, man, and I recently watched a video that compares the B58 and the S58. So apparently the S58 is more catered to handling track conditions, being hammered down, and the B58 is more of delivering daily use while including some amazing performance in there. But anyways, let's listen. Yes. Safe to say this is the modern day 2JZ. Bro, you know the 2JZ?
Explain. For those
You know the old Toyota Supra, the one in Fast and Furious?
Oh, yeah.
That engine. Yeah, but the B58 is the modern day version.
I mean, it is, even the Supra has it.
I was about to say, well done, bro. Yeah. Oh, know the robot's always closing.
They want you to do a launch.
Kanja, how do you launch this? Let's see if I can remember.
Okay.
Okay, Sport Plus, manual. I think you need this fully off. Funny enough.
You don't do. It's one off.
It's one off? It's not fully off?
Try with fully off.
That doesn't say. So just
Yeah,
click it
just
once.
that one, yeah.
Still doesn't do. That's fine. Yes. Because it's supposed to say launch control
Yeah, I know,
active
right,
or something.
active,
Yeah. It's fine. Yes. Hey, this suspicious exhaust is nice.
Thanks, man.
Yes. Listen.
Yeah, there you go,
But at this point, I'm not even sure if you need the M2.
That's what I always think, man. Like unless I wanna do donuts.
Yeah, I guess. Hey.
For donuts.
Yes, but this one thing that's striking about this new 2 Series platform, it's so big, bruh.
It is big.
Compared to the older one.
You can sit at the back there. Well, it's on the same platform as the
3 Series and whatever.
Yeah.
Let me see something. Oh yeah, we're still good. How do you launch these cars? Okay, gearbox.
Put it
sport.
on S. Yeah, that should be
Okay.
fine. Then you.
Oh yeah. Oh, it was in
I just
manual.
don't know
That's
if
why.
it'll let you do it again.
Okay, let's see.
Sometimes
So
it's
we're gonna try to. Okay, it's gonna open for the turning side, I think.
Oh.
Are you ready there, bruh? Someone's gonna turn in their Toyota there. Yes, this car is so fast.
No, it's proper fast.
Yes, it's
That was my first time experiencing the launch as a passenger.
Yes. Yeah, that caught me off guard. Yes.
You'll be singing the whole day, bro.
Now I'm here singing, bruh.
Nah, this car is fun, man.
Nah, this car is fun to drive, bruh. Yes. Ah, well done, bruh.
Thanks, bro. Thanks, man.
Yes. Bruh, those crackles. Yes. So slowing down like that.
It's a tunnel here.
I want to try to. Oh, speaking of tunnel, we're going to Mall of Africa. Yeah, no, the other nice thing is it's very comfortable, the suspension.
True.
It doesn't have the harsh one like in the M2. Even though in the M2 it's not like extremely harsh, but you can tell that it's a lot stiffer than on this car. So I guess, yeah, it's the best of both worlds. Daily use with some good performance in there checked in. And no one even looks at these cars, but how did you think of this car?
I wanted a 340, but there's like 10 of them on YouTube already. So.
And you thought, aha!
Yeah, plus it looks grown up, man, the 340. I wear shorts, so it wouldn't.
Wait, short. Oh, well done, bro. I think this is still a nice choice. Like you said, no one buys these cars really. You hardly see them on the road as well. Where is this Kia in our way, bro? Downshift. Yes. That punch you get from the gear shift. Yes. you're going to make me want a B50.
B58! Bro, isn't it hard to believe that technically the rivals of this car is an S3 and an A35?
Which is crazy.
Which is crazy. Like,
There's no way those cars can rival this thing.
If you look at the power discrepancy,
It's what I was trying to say earlier. Like, this is almost RS3 level.
Just 9 kilowatts away from RS3.
And it's got the same torque.
Same torque, exactly.
And a bigger engine.
Yeah. But RS3 looks better. Yeah.
What is BMW doing, guys?
I don't know.
In the performance car segment, I think BMW owns it now. Like, who can compete with them? Before you get to Porsche and stuff, I don't think there's anyone who can compete with BMW.
Never.
Yes. The way this car picks up. Yo, bro, this is the third G-Wagon we're seeing in 1 minute.
I think they're for free.
Yeah.
We just need to
The way this car is so common, you think it's cheap.
Nah, really. And
Yes. I don't think a lot of people are aware how expensive this thing
They
is.
are not. What is it? 5 million what?
Yeah, new retails around 5 million. Yes. Yeah, these cars are coming in fast, yo.
Why? Like, these desires.
Yeah.
I'm just here for the tunnel.
Yes. I know, guys. Whatever witchery is going on with this exhaust, amen. And it's so fun under that tunnel.
Where's our tunnel? Is it here? Oh, yeah.
It's just ahead. Yeah. Good Samaritan, this one. We're going again. Yes. Arrow.
Being a passenger is fun, man.
I don't think bruh, this thing sounds so crazy. Ha.
And performance exhaust.
Oh, and performance.
Yes.
Ah,
Just
okay.
that.
Just that. Now you know, guys. It's a stop sign.
Yeah, weird one.
Sorry.
It's scared of mouse.
Sorry. But yes, guys, that's the POV in the BMW M240i. Konja, what generation is this? G something.
G42.
G42. Yeah, G42. We'll do one last pull and call it a day. Yes.
I pulls, bro. So PA is always experiencing this. That's why she complains.
Now you're PA, bruh. You're getting PA's experience there. I said that was one pull. Nay, I lied. I lied. Oh, don't you need to get a thumbnail and stuff? Okay, we're going to get the thumbnail. Juke, why are you not driving?
Asleep. She's balancing the clutch.
Before this bus runs into us.
Yes.
That's a 140. Yes. Hey, yes. Yes. Yeah, but I think this is the final conclusion, guys. Until next time. That's cheers from us.